everyone, and welcome. In this video, we'll delve into the nuances of negotiation between a buyer and supplier on a required purchase quotation within Zombito Express. To begin, kindly log into your Zombito Express account. For this demonstration, we will simulate an online negotiation using two different onboard companies within the system. Suppose that Top Hill Pharma Limited acting as the buyer, and Polymorph Beadworks acting as the supplier. Let's start to create a purchase quotation at buyer's side. At the buyer's end, navigate to Purchase Quotation under the Purchase module. To initiate a new request, click on Create. Choose an onboard supplier from the list. For this example, we'll select Polymorph Beadworks. Choose Expected or Promised Delivery Date under Shipment Date. To add products detail, click on Add a Product. Select the required product from the list. The system autofills the product description, UOM, and the accepted product price defined by the supplier. Enter the expected quantity and expected price. The system automatically calculates the expected subtotal. To add more products, repeat the same steps. Once all required products are added, click on Save. At this point, the purchase quotation remains in draft status. If revisions are required, click on Edit to modify any field. After reviewing all details, click on Submit. Upon submission, the quotation moves to the stage, awaiting for vendor response, and is instantly forwarded to the supplier without any delay. At Polymorph Beadworks acting as supplier, responding to the quotation. Now, at the supplier's end. Navigate to Sales Quotation under the Sales module. Use the search bar to find the received quotation. The system displays all requested products along with their standard unit price. To respond, click on Edit. Zombito Express facilitate to update the offered price for each product one by one. Or use the markup feature to update all prices in one go. To using the markup feature, tick the markup checkbox. The system allows markup configuration through its value type. Markup type and markup value. For example, we choose percentage as the value type, consolidated as the markup type, and enter the desired percentage in markup value. As soon as you press Tab, Zombito Express automatically calculates and updates the offered price of all products based on their standard prices. You may also update the offered quantity if needed. Next, select the quotation validity date under Valid Till. And click on Save. The system now displays expected total and offered total. After verifying the details, click on Send to Customer. The quotation status now changes to Awaiting for Customer Response and is forwarded to the buyer without any delay. At buyer's side. Once the buyer refreshes the screen, the updated offered quantity and offered price are visible. Click on Edit and enter the buyer's expected values if further negotiation is required. If both sides agree on a product's price and quantity, the line turns green. And Generate PO button is active. If not agreed, the line remains red. This negotiation cycle continues until both the buyer and supplier finalize the terms. Once all product lines are green, indicating full agreement, the buyer click on Save and then click on Confirm. After confirmation, the supplier end, upon refreshing their screen, will see the quotation in Done status. And at the buyer's end, Zombito Express now enables the option to Generate PO. System can capture all negotiation trail at both sides. Click on Generate PO. Then click on Confirm. The system generates a draft purchase order tied to the negotiation. You can view this purchase order under Purchase Orders linked to the respective quotation. Thank you for watching the purchase quotation negotiation process between an onboard buyer and supplier within Zombito Express.